Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
东
First, please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
东的翁东东东方东方太阳从东方升起，太阳从东方升起。鼓东鼓东，我们公司有3个股东。我们公司有3个股东。房东房东，他是我的房东，他是我的房东。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. This character refers to the direction where the sun rises, the opposite of west. Since China is located in the eastern hemisphere, ancient Chinese used this character to mean the direction of sunrise. As the sun rises in the east and brings a new day, this character is full of meanings of new beginning, hope, and vitality. Of course, ancient Chinese emperors also liked this character very much. Pay attention here. This is written in one stroke. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.